how to improve your cha-cha to side, how to make it better. So instead of steps in place, we can use our traditional rocking action back and forward. Then we have a triple step, and then again we're going with a rock step forward, and then adding triple step. So we have a rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. All with the simple timing of cha-cha-cha. We have a 1, 2, cha-cha-cha timing, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. So it's a little bit like a zigzag shape. Let's do exactly the same reverse angle. So we have a rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. So what are the tips here? So tips, of course, number 1, keep your feet always in turnout when you're doing rocking action. When you replace, keep that foot in turnout angle, natural turnout, cha-cha-cha. So here, never this way. Now the next tip is use your body to guide the leg. So as you move side, indicate with your body, with your rib cage, your leg movement. So let your body guide the leg. And the third tip, as you move your feet from one step to another, try to keep connection